Go travel for 5 months and see if you can stay fit in an RV. Let's see how that goes. For the past 5 months, my family and I have been traveling in an RV across the country, and I'm going to share today how it's failed. This is our space. We have a seat and a table that none of us all fit at. RV life definitely has its challenges. It's a bunch of people in a small space. When we have dinner, we have to have these tables right here, and we set them up so that like 2 people have dinner here and then other people have dinner there. So it's pretty tight. These guys, we got Drax. Hey buddy. Yeah.
He loves you.
We have keys.
He loves
hey,
you.
cutie pies. Yeah. I totally thought I was going to be able to cook outside all the time and enjoy the good weather. In Montgomery, Alabama. We just got here, and it's like 36 degrees out right now, and it's supposed to freeze tonight and have that winter storm. So we're thinking it's going to be about 26 degrees and 2 inches of snow. So
should be fun.
It should be fun. We are not used to snow, and especially not in the trailer. So,
yeah.
And
the heat's broken.
And the heat's broken. Well, he's not completely broken.
Okay.
We have an electric fireplace, but we don't have propane fireplace. So the furnace. So hopefully we will be around tomorrow morning to talk about it. Wish us luck. For fitness, walking has been my go-to. I get to go get my steps while checking out the downtowns, and I feel like I get all of my steps before I even realize it. And I just think that's such a cool way to get steps, you know, kind of exploring and seeing everything around.
Hey.
It's a cool park.
Yes, it is.
Thought you were getting
There we go. Gotta read the plaques. I'm telling you. It's a plaque. It's like a moth to a flame. What do you think? Like it? Mm-hmm. Yeah? It's a little big for my small head. See? Already at 9,400 steps. We've seen Charleston, Savannah, the Florida Keys, Miami, Nashville, Knoxville, Greenville, Asheville. Before we took off, I packed a bunch of dumbbells and I put them in the RV. See, there's one right there. And there's more back there. And they've been just staying in there. And I thought, okay, you know what? We're going to be that awesome couple that goes outside and is working out at the RV park. And, you know, we're going to be fit and healthy, stick to our goals that way. I haven't used them once. So we joined an Anytime Fitness at first in Nashville, and that was really helpful. That has been a big game changer. It allows us to get exercise and to feel a lot better and have the identity of somebody who exercises and lifts weights, which is so important. Nutrition, I've been focusing on the basics. Just like I tell my clients when they're traveling, you want to focus on hitting your protein first and then getting lots of complex carbs for fiber. And if you can, sticking to your macros, but you know, sometimes being on the road, that's really tricky. For me, I know that things are going really well when I can track my macros, I can hit my protein goals, I can get my water intake in. I just don't feel great about myself when I dine out that often. Every once in a while for a cheat meal is fine, but doing it more frequently starts to make me feel more lethargic, it messes up my digestion, and I just don't feel good about myself. It's okay to dine out and overeat, and then also it's okay to get back to that and want to eat healthy. It's kind of this balance of enjoying life, and especially life on the road. So that's how I've been staying fit while traveling. I hope that helps with you because we all travel at some point or another, no matter how true we stick to our goals. Being in the RV is no exception. There are tons of obstacles. Let me know in the comments below where you think we should travel to next, and I will talk to you next time.